beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning in. I am Mihika and welcome to my channel. Did I say channel like channel? Okay. So it's really hot outside, like I have to think twice before going out on what I need to wear, how I need to keep my hair, and I always end up putting my hair in a very weird bun because I don't know how to do like a proper sleek bun. So I'm going to attempt to do a bun like this. I hope it turns out as good as it's looking over here right now. And I usually don't experiment much with my hair. I legit just wash it and I walk out and just fingers crossed and hope that my curls turn out half decent at least. So that's my go-to hairstyle. So today I'm going to take the matters in my own hand and let's do a sleek bun. So firstly, I'm going to take all of my hair and brush it really nicely with this white tooth comb. This comb is a blessing for frizzy, tangled and curly hair because it does not hurt as much on the scalp and it does the job. Next, I'm going to take a finer tooth comb and I'm going to try and comb and make my hair as sleek as possible without the gel. We're going to go in with a gel ahead, and for now I'm going to try a temporary pony. Now I'm going to take some hair gel and struggle to open it for the next 5 minutes at least. Too lazy to get up and get a scissor. So I'm going to take like a coin size on my fingertips, apply it on the tooth of my comb and just try to flatten my hair like this all over. And I'm going to keep doing it till I'm satisfied with how my hair looks. This might take a couple of minutes, like a minute or two, but make sure to do it properly because this is like the base of your entire hairstyle. And the only part where I feel you need to put in minimal effort. So now I'm taking some gel on my hand and I'm trying to flatten my hair even more by making it even sleeker and tying it into a low bun and tying it up with a very thin hair tie. Trying to make the hair look as sleek as possible by going over my brush once more. Setting my baby hair again with the gel. And we are done. This is the perfect go-to hairstyle for me whenever I am running late. That's almost always. And I'm going to pair this look with the statement gold earrings. I love gold with this look. And that's it. This is how the look looks. And I'm loving it. Let's go and take some pictures outside. That's my sister who's shooting, and that's the dog who is behind her and she's really scared.